How to sync contacts on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, click on Settings and Privacy. And here, from the Account section, click on Privacy. And from the Discoverability section, click on the option that says Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends. And the first section, you will see it says Contacts, and it has the Sync Contacts option turned off. So in order for you to turn it on, just click on the toggle next to it. And once the toggle has been turned on, it means that the contact syncing has been enabled on your account. And as you can see, it tells you to easily find and follow people you may know. Your phone contact will be periodically synced. You can turn this off at any time. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the contact syncing on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.